Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. I am going to take the class about Python database programming. Python database programming is about using Python to interact with the database, storing, retrieving, updating and managing the data. It core skills for the backend development, data engineering and then automation. In this design thinking stages, database is the prototype. In this topic, student develop the work program that connect in the Python with the database. What is Python database? The Python database programming refers to the Python to interact with the database, allowing you to store, retrieve and update and manage the data efficiently. It acts as the bridge between your Python application and the database system. In modern application, data is central whether it is the website, mobile app or business software. Database are used to organize and manage information on. Python provides powerful libraries and tools to communicate with the different type of database, making it popular choice for the developers. What is database? Database is nothing but organized the collection of data. For example, user information like names, emails, product inventories, transaction records. Database can be relational database, non-relational database. Relational database is a structured table, MySQL and PostgreSQL. Non-SQL is flexible to format MongoDB. Why use Python database? Easy to learn and use. Large ecosystem for the libraries. Works with the almost all the database system. Support both small and large scale application. Python follow the standard called database API, which defines how Python program interact with the database in a consistent way. Why Python database is used? Python is widely used for database programming language because it combines simplicity with powerful capabilities. However, the key reason easy to learn and use. Python has clean and readable syntax which makes writing database code straightforward for even beginners. Tasks like connecting a database or running queries require very little code compared to many other languages. Work with multiple database, support almost every major database system, relational, no SQL. The flexibility means you can switch database without changing your entire databases. The flexibility you to switch database without changing your entire databases. Rich in library support, Python provides many libraries to interact with the database. For example, SQLite, ProSQL, and then MySQL connection in Python, that is MySQL. It is also follow the standard database application programming interface, ensuring the consistent. Next topic is Python database application programming interface. In Python database API, commonly called as DB API, is the standard that defines how Python program interact with the database. It ensures that different database libraries follow the consistent interface. Your code looks similar whether you use SQLite, MySQL, PostgreSQL. Purpose of database API: provide the uniform way to access the database. Provide a uniform way to access database, make code portable across the different database system, simply learning and then development. The main steps: import the database module and establish the connection and create a cursor object and then execute the SQL queries, fetch the result and close the connections. SQLite database. SQLite lightweight self-contained relational database system that is widely used in Python application. It is especially popular for the beginners and small medium-sized project because it requires no separate server setups. SQLite is embedded database engine, meaning entire database stored in a single file on your system. Unlike SQL, PostgreSQL, it runs directly inside your application. Key features: serverless, no need install or manage the database server, zero configuration, lightweight and portable. Yes, completed ensure the reliable transaction. Next one, connecting to SQL. Connecting to SQLite database in Python is simple because it includes built-in support via SQLite modules, which follow the standard database application programming interface. Use SQLite 3.connect to connect the database file to create the automatically. Use cursor to execute the queries. Always close the connections. Create a table. Table is creating one of the first step after connecting the SQLite database. You can create the database create table command through the Python SQLite module, which follow the database application programming interface. Next one, inserting the data. After creating a table, the next step is to add the records using the SQL insert into statement. In Python, that is done through SQLite module, which follow the database application programming interface. Always call connection.commit to save the changes. Then retrieving the data. Retrieving the data from the database. Retrieving data means reading stored record from the database. In Python, this is done using the SQLite statement. Data is retrieved using the cursor object. Advantages: easy to integration with database, useful for the web application and analytics, support multiple database system, automate data processing.